All right, just a quick shot here. There are 3 teams of 2 over there installing the new furnace, trying to get everything in today so it doesn't take 2 days to do it. So I'm going to walk over here a little bit closer. And so they're installing what they're doing is they're installing a new intake and exhaust for the furnace here. I'm not going to go down and bug them, so as you can see, there's only a few spots where the snow is remaining as it falls. It's been falling for a couple hours now. So, all right, see you later.